All right. Everybody, welcome back. Dr. Blumenthal back with you in the Maryland office with Natural Transplants, and I'm thrilled to reveal Rell. Rell, welcome back. Good to see you again.
It's great to see you.
Yeah, so we've known each other for several years now. We've actually done 2 procedures on you. The first one was a couple years back, and then we did a second procedure about a year ago, just to give a little bit more fullness in that kind of center third area. It wasn't quite as strong as we wanted it, so we hit it as I say, a second coat of paint to kind of get that center third. Tell us how this year went. Tell us how you like the results.
I love the results.
Good.
As you can see, I'm sure you'll have the before pictures.
Yep,
but
we'll
it's
put those up.
Much thinner in this area.
Yeah.
And as you can see now, my hair is it's really, really full.
Good.
It's
I love
really,
it.
And I know the second time we focused on this area.
Yep.
So like all of the sides, this is fullness from the first.
That's just from the first procedure, exactly. Yeah, basically from kind of the temples down was the first procedure, and then we did the second one up top. So big improvement from the first and the second one. To be honest with you, that's great. Looks great. And have other people noticed and remarked about the hair being different? Yeah,
for sure. My friends, everyone. I have a few friends considering getting hair transplants.
You were the guinea pig, right?
I was the guinea pig.
Yeah, exactly. Awesome, very great. And you sent me some face shots from your work, and you look like a movie star. It looks fantastic.
I love it.
Looks great. Oh, I'm so happy for you. Thank you for doing this. Actually, before we go, I'm going to have you just do a couple poses, and then we'll put the before pictures up as well too to compare. But just kind of put your head sort of down for 2 or 3 seconds, hold it like that, and then you can pick a side and turn to one side and just hold it for 2 or 3 seconds, and then other direction. Looks beautiful. I love it. Oh, congratulations. Oh, so happy for you.
Keep sit.
Oh, thank you.
My hair experience, honestly, if I had to do it all over again, I would.
Oh, good. You were so much fun to work with, and I've enjoyed talking with you over the last couple of years. But ultimately, I'm glad it turned out the way we wanted, and it's awesome. Send us postcards of all your travels, okay?
Okay.
All right, Rell. Take care. All right, bye-bye.
Bye.
Call us now, 844-327-4247, and ask about our Hue and Hue Plus procedures, which move more hair than ever before. Hope to hear from you soon.